Hi, I'm Nick with Acme Tools, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Makita 36V LXT Cordless Vacuum, model number XCV19. Model number XCV19PG for the kit, and model number XCV19Z for the bare tool. This new upright vacuum runs on two of Makita's 18V star protection marked batteries, which boast a fast charging time and an outstanding performance to drive the powerful BL brushless motor, which generates 67 CFM of suction power and 48 inches of water lift. Certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute for commercial use, this HEPA filter vac has a 12-inch wide cleaning path and 3 speed options, with a runtime of up to 60 minutes on medium when using the 6 amp-hour batteries. Continue to get the most performance out of the XCV19 with LED light indicators for the dust bag, brush, and battery levels, so you know when to change out the bag or batteries or clean the brush. There's even more LED lights on the front bumper to illuminate those dark spaces where the dust bunnies like to hide. This is a non-marring bumper to prevent damage to furniture, baseboards, door frames, and walls. The XCV19 has onboard storage for accessories and is completely toolless for changes or adjustments. Weighing in at only 19.8 pounds, this vacuum can be utilized in any room without hassle. Do your best work with the new Makita Upright Cordless Vacuum. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for the latest from Acme Tools.